Hey, everyone who says it wouldn't work, watch this. Click. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. It's not covered yet. I'm going to get the stuff I need to build an enclosure. And I know the plywood will go bad with rain. I'm going to go get stuff to completely cover it. It's going to work. And boop. Oh, it's slicker than snot. We're in town. I'm gonna get a box to cover the motor. I'm gonna get something. I'm thinking like a maybe almost a gutter to go over the railing. That would work perfect. A gutter, just flip that bad boy over, right on top, perfectly covered. I'm a genius. And then we're gonna get some waterproofing paint to paint that OSB, because that should work. We're making progress.